Alright, so the Epson DS530 is this cool color, duplex document, scanner that's perfect for personal or small office use. It's got a bunch of features that make it super efficient for managing all your documents. Let me break down some key things about it for you. Speed and efficiency. This bad boy can scan up to 35 pages per minute for one-sided documents and 70 images per minute for double-sided ones. That's pretty fast! It's got a 50-page automatic document feeder, so you can scan a whole stack of papers without having to babysit it. Plus, it can scan both sides of a document at the same time, which saves a ton of time, paper handling, and versatility. The DS530 can handle all sorts of document sizes, from business cards to extra-long pages. With features like dynamic skew correction and ultrasonic double feed detection, it can handle mixed stacks of documents like a pro. Software and connectivity. It comes with a bunch of software like Epson Scan, Document Capture Pro, and Abby Fine Reader Sprint for things like OCR and business card management. You can connect it with USB 3.0 or even add a network interface unit for sharing in a workgroup. Image processing and features. The DS530 has some smart image processing tech for adjusting colors and images, cropping, and removing blank pages. It also has tools for things like de-skewing, removing punch holes, and recognizing barcodes. You can scan to different file formats like PDF, JPEG, and Microsoft Office formats. Overall, the Epson DS530 is a solid, budget-friendly scanner with good speed, efficiency, and features. The only downside is that its OCR performance isn't the best, so keep that in mind if you need top-notch text recognition. Scanner specifications. Scanner type. Sheet-fed, one-pass duplex color scanner. Photoelectric device, color contact image sensor, CIS. Optical resolution, 600 dpi. Color bit depth, 30-bit input. Grayscale bit depth, 24-bit output. Light source, 3-color RGB LED. Scanning speed, 35 ppm, 70 IPM. At 300 dpi. Black and white, color gray. Automatic document feeder, ADF. Specifications. Capacity 50 sheets. Document sizes. Minimum 2x2er. Maximum 8.5x240 XEP. Daily duty cycle, 4,000 sheets. Paperweight, 27,413 GM2. General specifications. Temperature, 41 to 95 degrees F. 5 to 35 degrees C. Humidity, 10 to 80%, no condensation. Dimensions, 6.6, x 11.6, x 6.9, WXDXH, weight, 8.1 lb, scan. Features. Buttons, 4 push buttons, double feed detect skip. Slow scan mode, scan, stop, connectivity. Minimum system requirements. Windows are 7, 881, then Mac OS R X 10.6.8, 10.11.x. Standard connectivity. Super speed USB 3.0. Optional connectivity network. Interface unit RJ45. 10 base at the 100 base at the X. That's all, folks. Please don't forget to follow my FB page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please share, like, and comment.